fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review of De Rust, which is set beside a river in the Dinokeng Nature Reserve about an hour north of Pretoria. It's highway until the turnoff, and then it quickly becomes a gravel road that is suitable for all types of vehicles, but if you are towing a road caravan, just take it really easy and slow. There are a number of different sites and areas to this campsite. Many follow the course of the river, and if you are near any of the rapids, you would probably be shielded from the road noise from the highway. Many of their campsites have large shady trees and receive both morning sun and afternoon shade. If you are a very large group, you may have to use some of the sites in the central area, which offer no shade at all. There is a very special area known as the island. It's right on the river with sites under thick canopy of trees, and there's another area near the dam which also has lovely shady spots. Most of the sites are on seasonal grass, but are not generally flat, and most people did need to use leveling blocks. There are plug points for each site, along with scattered water taps and dustbins. Fixed and portable braais are dotted about too. Behind reception, there is yet another campsite, which is away from the river, and this is used mainly for the long-stay guests. The bathrooms serve their purpose, although they are due for some TLC. There was sufficient hot water, even though we were a very large group. Some measures have been put in place to assist the partially disabled. There is a scullery area for the washing of dishes and a laundry facility. Now, we didn't use either of these, so I cannot comment other than to say that they are there. At De Rust itself, you can go birding, take a walk through the dappled canopy, fish at the dam, relax by the river with a book, or watch the kiddies play in the small play area by the pool. You can take a drive in hopes of seeing the Big Five, or participate in a number of adventure activities offered in the area. But do remember that you will need to obtain a self-drive permit to drive anywhere but on the main roads. The campsite is pet-friendly by prior arrangement. Being within the Dinokeng Big Five Reserve, we certainly felt safe. But as usual, we kept all our foodstuffs and valuables tucked away, especially as the monkeys did come through the campsite once or twice a day on the lookout for an easy meal. We had good cell phone coverage on all networks and were able to access the bank and stream videos. While the campsite does not experience load shedding, the cell towers do go down during these times. Dinokeng is an area dedicated to tourism, and although there is no on-site restaurant, you will find many places to catch a meal or a drink close to De Rust. There is a small kiosk at reception that offers the basics, but you can always take the drive down to Safari Mall, where you can fill up your tank or purchase your self-drive permit. De Rust is a quiet and restful campsite where you can recharge your soul away from the stresses of city life. Well, that's it for this one. Stay safe, be well, and hope to see you on the road sometime.